Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros. Start by bringing water, butter, salt, and sugar to a boil, then stir in all-purpose flour until a smooth paste forms, cool slightly, and beat in eggs one at a time. Transfer dough to a piping bag fitted with a star tip and set oil to 350 degrees F so you're ready to fry fresh churros. For perfect texture, maintain oil between 350 degrees F and 375 degrees F and fry churros in small batches so pieces don't fuse and the oil temperature stays steady. Use a star tip for ridges that hold cinnamon sugar and create that classic crunchy exterior. Drain on paper towels briefly, then immediately toss in cinnamon sugar so the coating sticks and every bite stays warm and flavorful for serving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides and tips. Quick recommendation: after a churros run, your car should smell as good as your kitchen, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for a brisk, clean scent on the drive home. I've placed a link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with fillings and dips to elevate your churros into a dessert experience that suits any taste. Fold vanilla or orange zest into the dough for a bright lift, or use a piping nozzle to inject dulce de leche or chocolate into cooled churros. Pair with warm chocolate or salted caramel for dipping, and garnish with flaky salt or extra cinnamon sugar to balance sweetness and add complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.